Yo, what's up, internet fam? Ever feel like life's a tug of war between grandma's dusty wisdom and that shiny new AI assistant whispering shortcut in your ear? Yeah, we've been there too. You see, we're all caught in this constant push and pull, a balancing act between the old and the new. On one side, we have the tried and true wisdom of our elders, those timeless proverbs that have guided generations. On the other, we have the cutting-edge tech and AI hacks that promise to solve all our problems with a single click. Now, we're not saying one is better than the other. Nope. But wouldn't it be fun to see them go head-to-head in a wisdom showdown? Let's playfully explore, laugh a little, and maybe even learn something new. Well, strap in, because we're about to throw down in the ultimate wisdom showdown, Grandma's grit versus GPT's gadgets. Grandma says Rome wasn't built in a day, but GPT's got a 24-hour masterclass that promises to turn you into a Michelangelo in no time. Intriguing, right? But hold on a second, let's break this down. Picture this. You're starting a project, maybe it's a novel, maybe it's a treehouse, or perhaps a new fitness regime. You're all pumped up, ready to conquer the world. But then, reality sets in. Your treehouse looks more like a birdhouse. Your novel reads like a grocery list. And don't get me started on that fitness regime. It's frustrating, we've all been there. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, it took time, planning, and a lot of hard work. Similarly, real growth, real progress, it takes time. On the other hand, GPT's 24-hour masterclass seems like a magic wand. But let's not forget, even magic has its limits. Turns out, building anything awesome takes time, sweat, and maybe a little bit of duct tape. Grandma says necessity is the mother of invention, but GPT's got AI life simulations that can predict your future and tell you exactly what to do. Now, isn't that a wild concept? Imagine a world where your every choice, every twist and turn in your life is predetermined by a clever bunch of algorithms. Convenient, sure, but where's the thrill? Let's not forget the joy of serendipity, the satisfaction of figuring things out on our own. Remember that time when you turned a broken chair into a quirky plant stand? Or when you whipped up a surprisingly delicious dinner from 3 random ingredients left in the fridge? That's the spirit of invention, my friends. So while AI simulations might offer a tempting glimpse into the future, remember what Grandma used to say? But hey, sometimes the best inventions come from scrapping together what you have, not knowing what's going to happen next. That's the beauty of the unknown, baby. So, who wins the Wisdom Championship? Drum roll, please. It's a doozy. It's a tie. Yes, you heard it right. Grandma's grit keeps you grounded and hustling, while GPT's gadgets offer a turbo boost when you need it. But here's the secret ingredient: mixing. Blend the wisdom of the ages with the tools of the future. It's like making a perfect cocktail. The key is finding your own secret sauce, blending the wisdom of the ages with the tools of the future. So what's your wisdom blend? You know, that secret mix of old-school savvy and cutting-edge tech that helps you navigate this wild ride we call life? We've all got a little bit of Grandma's grit and a dash of GPT's gadgets in us, don't we? So let's hear it. Share your favorite life hacks in the comments, whether they're passed down from Grandma or downloaded from the internet. Let's keep this conversation cooking.